Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. To run Python code in Notepad, you can follow these steps. 1. Write your Python code in Notepad and save the file with a .py extension. For example, you can create a file named my_script.py. 2. Open a command prompt by pressing Win+R, typing cmd, and hitting enter. 3. Navigate to the directory where your Python script is saved using the cd command. For example, if your script is saved in the Documents folder, you can use the following command. 4. Once you are in the correct directory, you can run your Python script by typing Python followed by the name of your script file. For example, 5. Press enter to run the Python script, and you will see the output in the command prompt. Here is an example Python script that you can create in Notepad and run using the steps above. After saving the above code in a file named my_script.py, follow the steps mentioned earlier to run the script and you should see Hello, Notepad, printed in the command prompt.